Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today I'm going to give you another makeup tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I got this look here using a few new products and some old ones as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so since I'm going to be using a matte lip today, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips using my EOS balm. And this is going to come in handy, so your lips don't feel like it's cracking, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the Faced Hangover primer. It's replenishing because my skin has been dry lately. This is doing wonders for my skin, okay? And for foundation, I'm going to use the Tarte Face Tape foundation. It's almost gone, you guys. I've been using this for about 6 months now. I really like it. It has really good coverage and the color is pretty. Like it's really pretty. It's a flawless foundation. The color that I'm using is 49G Tan Deep Golden. I'll have all the information in the description box though. And I usually use about 1 pump. 1 pump gives you a lot of product, you guys. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's a decent amount of product. And I like to distribute it and then blend it with the brush. So 1 pump, trust me, is plenty of coverage, you guys, plenty. And my favorite brush, the Hourglass brush. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer. This is one of their newer concealers. This is the 16-hour camo concealer. They sent me this a little bit while back, and this is in the color Tan Latte, you guys. It has great coverage. It reminds you of something more high-end. I was really surprised that this was an e.l.f. product, you guys, because the quality is A1. Only thing is the darker shades, like the deeper shades for African-American skin tones, you guys, I cannot find that anywhere. Like I got a deeper shade in this as well that I used up, and I can't find it anywhere. Like anywhere they sell e.l.f., I just can't find it. I don't know what's up with that. You only see the lighter shades all the places that I've been. So e.l.f., what's up with that? Like, we want to wear it too. It's hella weird. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with just a basic cosmetic sponge. For cream contour, I'm going in with the Nicka K New York. It's like a cream to powder foundation in the color chocolate. So now, you guys, I'm going to lightly set my highlighted areas. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Setting Powder. I used this on the last video. The color is called Banana. It's a yellow-like color. It's just okay. This product is very mediocre to me, you guys. It's just the way it lays on the skin. I've just had so much better. But it will do the trick. So I'll probably be using this for another couple of weeks. It's very finely milled. but it's just a little chalky. So to overall set my entire face, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder. It's the colored powder. It's the translucent loose setting powder in the color medium deep. So I'm just going to go in with this, you guys, and a huge big fluffy brush and just lightly dust all over my entire face. I've been sent a few products from a small makeup company. The name of it is Bella Galore Sculpt and Brow. I'm going to put all her information down in the description box. Her makeup artistry is bomb. I have been following her for like years, literally, and she sent me some of her products, so we're going to go ahead and try these out. This is the brow pomade in the color Cocoa. So I'm just going to use an angled brow brush, which I normally use. I'm going to zoom in, you guys, so you can see a little closer. I like the color. It's similar to what I already use. I use 03 by Milani, usually their pomade. And I don't like my brows too dark because my hair is so light. So I think this color is perfect. So I'm actually going to go in with a Fit Me powder, you guys. Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. And use this as like a transition tone for my eyeshadow look. And I just put that above the crease. So like right in here. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay palette and use the color Punk, which is a deep warm brown. It's like a reddish brown, but dark. And then I'm just gonna blend out the edges of Punk. For the lid color, I'm gonna go in with the color called Blaze, which is a pretty golden tone. I don't know if it's picking up, but this tone has like pink, like light pink reflex in it. And for liner, you guys, I'm going with the Inglot Gel Liner in the color 77, which is super jet black. Pretty sure you guys are familiar with this. It's like the best liner, the darkest, creamiest liner, easy to apply. All that is good. I'm now going to go in with a NYX pencil. It's the Wonder pencil in the color Deep, and I'm just going to put this in my waterline. I'm wearing my brand of lashes, you guys, Socialite Mink Lash in the style AfterParty. And AfterParty is the style that goes longer and fuller towards the outside, creating like that winged cat eye type look. I love this style. This is probably like my 10th or 12th time wearing these lashes. They last about an average of 20 uses, you guys. So you definitely get your money's worth. I'll have the website down below in the description box to order Socialite Mink Lash. 4 simple, easy styles to choose from. So you're definitely going to find one that you love. The glue that I've been using lately is the newer Duo glue that has like that flat applicator. See how it's flat? And I like this one because the glue automatically sticks. You don't have to wait for it to get tacky. Once you put it on your band, it automatically sticks. For mascara, I'm going to use Levi from Tui Bell. This mascara is super creamy, you guys. This is probably like my 4th time using it, and I really like it. It's super creamy. This particular mascara is going to be available on my website for the lashes pretty soon, probably by next week, so you guys check that out. The mascara is life, okay? And the packaging is so luxury, like feels like an armor truck. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Powder. This is the medium to dark one. And I like to go in with the darkest color. For highlight, I'm going to use the same palette, the gold. And top that off with Becca's highlighter in Opal to give it like that high shine, that gleam. For lips, you guys, I'm going to go in with the NYX SUADE matte lip liner in the color Downtown Beauty. And then I'm going to overline it with NYX liner in the color medium brown. It's just a tiny bit deeper, and I'm going to overline it with that. And then I'm going to use Bella Galore's Liquid Matte Dreams lipstick in the color Send Nudes.